Let's learn calculating the new profit sharing ratio and the sacrificing ratio in a very conceptual, logical manner. Here we go. A and B old partners है, 3:2 profit sharing ratio है, 3:2 is the old ratio. C is admitted for 1/5 share, 1/5 share, correct? Now we have to find out new ratio and the sacrificing ratio. Let us say that profit is ₹100. Earlier means when only A and B were partners. Let us say ₹100 is profit. Correct? So only two of the partners were there earlier. So it will be distributed to A and B in the old ratio, 3:2. Correct? So if 100 rupees we break into 3:2, A will get 60 rupees, B will get 40 rupees. So earlier 100 rupees was divided between A and B. Now C is admitted as a partner. Now C is admitted as a partner. Let us assume again the profit is 100. Rupees 100 is profit now also. But as we have promised, Mr. C should be given 1/5. We have promised Mr. C 1/5. So out of 100, first of all, you give away to Mr. C. How much? 1/5 of 100. Because you have promised him that much. So 1/5 of 100 comes to ₹20. So out of 100, first of all you give 20 rupees to C. Now the balance left. How much is balance left? 80 rupees. This 80 rupees will now be distributed. C has taken his share. C has taken his share of 1/5. Now balance 80 rupees will be distributed among A and B. A and B. And between A and B, the understanding is 3:2. So 80 when we break into 3:2, 48, 32. So 100 rupees is distributed as, first of all give away 20 rupees to C. Out of 80, A and B takes away in this manner. So A gets 48, B gets 32, C gets 20. The total of these three obviously will be 100. So this is the new sharing which is going to take place, correct? When only two partners were there, A used to get 60, B used to get 40, total 100. Okay, so see here. So the new ratio. A gets 48, B gets 32, C gets 20. Let's reduce it. Let's divide by 4. So 12, 8, 5. Right? We have reduced it. So this is our new ratio, 12:8:5. Correct? Now we have to find out the sacrificing ratio. The sacrificing ratio. Earlier, Mr. A used to get 60. Now, after C is admitted, Mr. A is getting only 48. So, earlier he was getting 60. Now he is getting only 48. So, 60 minus 48, the sacrifice of A, this is A's column, sacrifice of A is 12 rupees. How? Earlier he was getting 60. Now he's getting 48. How about B? earlier Mr. B was getting 40, now Mr. B is getting 32. So 40 and now 32. So here sacrifice 8 rupees. 40 minus 32. 40 minus 32. Of course, there is no sacrifice of C. So sacrificing ratio of A and B is 12 is to 8. The new ratio is 12 is to 8 is to 5. Sacrificing ratio is 12 is to 8. You can further reduce this 12 is to 8 sacrificing ratio divided by 4. You get it as 3 is to 2. Correct? So let's repeat it fast. A and B 3 is to 2, C is admitted for 1/5. Earlier 100 rupees you distribute only between 3 and 2. Earlier 100 rupees you distribute 3 is to 2 between A and B. So A used to get 60, B used to get 40, story over. Only A and B. Now out of 100 rupees, first you give 1/5 to C. So 1/5 of 100 is 20 rupees. Balance 80 rupees distributed between A and B in the ratio 3 is to 2. 80 in the ratio 3 is to 2. 48, 32, 20. So this is the new profit sharing ratio. 48, 32, 20. Reduce it by 4. 48, 32, 20. Divide it by 4. 12, 8, 5. So this is the new ratio. And how much is the sacrificing ratio? Very simple. A was earlier getting 60. Now is getting only 48. 60 and now is getting only 48. So 60 minus 48. He has sacrificed 12 rupees. 60 minus 48, 12 rupees. B was getting 40. Now is getting only 32. So he has sacrificed 8 rupees. 40 minus 32, 8 rupees. So the sacrificing ratio is 12 is to 8. When you divide by 4, it comes to 3 is to 2. This is logical, conceptual understanding of what exactly is happening. Correct? We can also solve this in the traditional style. So let's solve this in the traditional style. This is our traditional style. Question is the same, 3 is to 2, admitted for 1/5. This is how we calculate the new ratio. You must be aware of it. Sacrificing ratio is old ratio minus new ratio. So just have a look at this. You will find all this in the textbooks. But the logical conceptual understanding was breakup of 100 rupees. That way gives you a better clarity. Don't forget to subscribe to videos. You'll have lots and lots of videos on accounts and costing. Don't forget to subscribe. Just have a look at this. Okay? See you then. We'll wind up for the day.